Solution 1. Charge iPhone to start up. Even though you think that you have already charged your iPhone before and your iPhone is supposed to be fully charged, there are still some other possible reasons to make it fail to charge your iPhone. So, to exclude the reason that your iPhone has run out of power, please try different ways to recharge your iPhone, and please ensure to use an available socket and an original charger is better. Make sure the charging screen shows on your iPhone when plugging it in. Solution 2. Repair iPhone won't turn on by force reboot. If your iPhone still won't turn on after recharging it, you can try to restart your iPhone to turn it on. And please don't worry, this way will not erase any content on your iPhone. Step 1. Please hold the power and home button concurrently to make iPhone screen goes black. Then let go of the two buttons simultaneously. Step 2. Next, please repress the power button, which should bring out the Apple logo on the screen. Then release the power button to continue. Step 3. Finally, your iPhone is supposed to be rebooted automatically. Then you can turn on and operate your iPhone again. Solution 3. Fix iPhone won't turn on effectively with iOS System Recovery Tool. Step 1. Run the installed software on your computer and keep your iPhone connected to PC with a USB cord. Then visit More Tool iOS System Recovery on the main interface. Step 2. Then the tool will detect what problem your iPhone might have, then show the likely errors of your iPhone, such as iPhone won't turn on, iPhone stuck on Apple logo, recovery mode, iPhone won't update, iPhone error 3, and etc. Just click the Start button to go to the next step. Step 3. After that, you will be required to confirm your iPhone information. If it is correct, click the Repair button to begin the fixing process. If not, select the right one and hit the Repair option to fix iPhone won't turn on issue. To fix your iPhone, the software might download and install the latest software update on your iPhone after detecting your iPhone's current iOS version.